Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix Elden Ring Nightreign crashing to desktop. So I got this game yesterday. I was so excited to actually finally play it because I saw that a lot of people actually has now purchased it. So I was like, okay, I want to try it because the hype is quite big on this game right now. And to my surprise, it kept crashing to my desktop and I was so disappointed. I was like, why does this happen? And I was actually able to figure out a simple solution for myself at least. And after I did this one solution, it fixed it completely. No crashes whatsoever now in a lot of hours that I've been playing at least. And I'm going to show you how I fixed it. So basically, I first went into Steam right here, as you can see. So I went into Steam. And now what I did on Steam in here, basically, because I bought the game through Steam, by the way, so that's why I have to go here. I then clicked on Library right here, and then I right-clicked on the Elden Ring Nightreign game. Then I just hover over Manage. I clicked on Browse Local Files. Then you're going to click on Game. And then you're going to scroll down and find the logo right here, the Nightreign logo right here, and then just right-click on it. Then you're going to click on Properties, then click on Compatibility. And then actually what I did, I don't know why this worked, but I just clicked on run this program as an administrator. I clicked on apply, I clicked on OK. And basically I just went into the game, like I clicked on the game once again and opened it up. And it was working for me like perfectly almost, I guess. No crashes, maybe some lags here and there, but that happens because I'm like my PC isn't that great, to be honest. But yeah, like no crashes whatsoever, so that fixed it completely for me. So try this and hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.